Birds or Robots, single by Natalie Burdick, now playing.
Birds are robots sent from the government. 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 Birds are robots. I met a bird outside my door. He asked me, what are you looking at me weird for? You're a talking bird, that's kinda strange. Anyway, do you have a name? Yes, I do, my name is Rodney, but I can be anybody you want me to be, baby. I said, well, what do you mean? He said, I can show you things you've never seen. The government had programmed him to remember the identities of people that he met. He had a USB port and an aux port, collecting data, sending it across the internet. I said an aux cord seems kind of outdated for American surveillance technology. He said that's government funding for ya. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots. Same time next week, my name is on the tip of his beak. He says, baby, if it's data you want, I got it free. Shows me my friends and the grocery store clerk, the guy next door, and Clara from work. Mind you, he's impersonating people I have known my whole life, and he's killing it. To show my appreciation, I start to applaud. Next thing I know, he's blown to bits. The government had sensed that he'd released private information. Apparently this was something robot birds had done in the past to impress women, and he imploded on my front porch. Birds are robots. Please forgive me, Rodney. Please forgive me, Rodney. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots sent from the government. Birds are robots. I'm sorry, Rodney.
I'm not sure I understand.
It's okay.
Circle 24, Birds of the West Rework by
No.
Robot Coke
Hey
and
Siri,
Foman,
stop.
and now